Looking for a mini Bluetooth speaker that packs a punch without breaking the bank? Here are the 5 best options I found, and one you should definitely avoid. Product number 1, the BolaBuddy C27C. Priced at just $21.99, this speaker caught my attention with its impressive features, especially the IPX5 waterproof rating. If you want a powerful, portable sound experience for your outdoor adventures, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 10 watts of output and a frequency response of 10 kilohertz, the sound quality is remarkably rich, making it perfect for everything from gaming to movie nights. Plus, it boasts an incredible 20-hour playtime, so you can enjoy your favorite tunes all day without worrying about charging. And if you want to take it up a notch, you can pair 2 of these speakers for a true stereo experience. That means you can fill your entire space with sound, whether you're at a beach party or just chilling at home. Now, some people complained about the size, saying it feels a bit bulky. Here's the thing though, if you want serious sound, some size is inevitable. For outdoor lovers or anyone who enjoys a good party, this isn't a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you're an outdoor enthusiast or someone who hosts a lot of gatherings. Skip this one if you're looking for something ultra compact or only need it for solo use. At $21.99, it's a solid investment for quality sound. Now, if the size of the BolaBuddy C27C bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach with a more compact design. Product number 2, the DB Sono Portable Bluetooth Speaker, priced at an amazing $14.99. Its compact design and lightweight nature really stood out to me. If you want a budget-friendly option that offers solid sound, this is definitely worth considering. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With 10 watts of power and a frequency response of 16 kilohertz, the sound is surprisingly rich for its size. You can enjoy up to 24 hours of playtime at moderate volume, making it perfect for long road trips or outdoor picnics. Plus, the TWS pairing feature lets you connect 2 speakers for a full 360-degree sound experience, which is great for getting everyone in on the fun. However, some users mentioned the bass could be a bit lacking for their taste. But I'll be real with you, at this price point, you have to manage your expectations. It's not a high-end speaker, but it does deliver great value for casual use. This is perfect for you if you're on a budget or looking for a lightweight option for travel. Skip this one if you're a bass lover who needs that extra boom. For $14.99, you're getting a great deal for everyday use. Alright, that was a solid option, but the next one on my list might actually be even better for those who prioritize sound quality. Product number 3, d'Apple Bluetooth Speaker. Third on the list is the d'Apple Bluetooth speaker, retailing for $19.97. Its 15 watts of power immediately caught my eye, suggesting it wouldn't just be another average mini speaker. If you want something that offers powerful sound without sacrificing portability, this one's a keeper. Here's why this matters for you specifically. With its 15W output and IP67 waterproof rating, this speaker is designed for adventure. Whether you're at the beach, camping, or just hanging out in the backyard, it delivers rich sound with deep bass that will enhance your music experience. Plus, the all-day battery life means you can keep the party going without interruptions, which is essential for any gathering. Some users have pointed out that the speaker is a bit bulkier than expected, but honestly, when you're getting this level of sound quality, it's a reasonable trade-off. This speaker is totally worth it for those who prioritize audio performance. This is perfect for you if you enjoy hosting outdoor parties or love listening to music while exploring nature. Skip this if you need something ultra portable for a quick trip. At $19.97, it's a fantastic value for the sound quality. Now, if you're looking for something even more portable, check out our 4th option. Product number 4, Anker Soundcore. Coming in at number 4 is the Anker Soundcore Bluetooth speaker. Although the price isn't listed, it's known for providing exceptional value. If you want a speaker that's both durable and produces stellar sound, this one deserves your attention. Here's why this matters for you specifically. This speaker features a 6-watt output and a frequency response of 50 Hz, delivering surprisingly clear audio with deep bass. Plus, Plus, the 24-hour battery life means you can take it anywhere and enjoy music without a charging break. Whether you're relaxing in the park or hosting a small get-together, this speaker has got you covered. Now, some users have mentioned that it struggles with very high volume levels, leading to distortion. But here's the thing. For casual listening, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. It's built for a balanced experience, not for blasting music at full volume. This is perfect for you if you're looking for an affordable, reliable speaker for everyday use. Skip this if you plan to use it for high-energy parties where maximum volume is necessary. With Anker's reputation, it's a smart buy for the price. Finally, if you want something ultra-portable for your travels, let's talk about our last pick. Product number 5. EWA 106 Pro Portable Bluetooth Speaker. Last but not least is the EWA 106 Pro Portable Bluetooth Speaker, priced at $17.99. Its tiny size and stylish design instantly grabbed my attention. If you want a truly portable speaker that you can take anywhere without compromising on sound, this mini speaker is worth checking out. Here's why this matters for you specifically. Weighing only 7 ounces and with a battery life of 5 hours, it's incredibly easy to carry along for a day at the beach or a hike. The sound quality is impressive for its size, providing crystal clear audio and decent bass, making it a great option for personal use. Plus, the included carrying case adds a layer of protection, which is a thoughtful touch for those on the go. However, some users found the battery life a bit short for extended use. But honestly, if you're looking for something ultra portable, you might prioritize convenience over extended playtime. It's perfect for quick trips. This is perfect for you if you need a pocket-sized speaker for casual listening. Skip this one if you need something with longer battery life for all-day use. At $17.99, it's a fantastic little speaker that delivers on sound for its size. To wrap it up, we've gone through 5 fantastic mini Bluetooth speakers that cater to different needs and budgets. If I had to pick just one, I'd go with the Apple Bluetooth speaker because of its great sound quality and durability, perfect for outdoor adventures.